So guys, for the first method, make sure that your speakers are properly plugged in. Make sure that you've plugged it in properly. For the second method, you want to unplug and then plug back in your speakers. See if that works. For the third method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your speakers. You want to make sure that your speakers have been enabled. So for me, I'm going to right click on my speakers and it says for me enable device. So I'm going to click on enable device, which has now enabled my speakers. So you want to make sure that your speakers have been enabled. For the next method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Audio. Double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now under it, we're going to double click on Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Double click on this and then do the same thing. Startup type, automatic, and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now you want to click on restart and then click on yes, which is now going to restart both the Windows Audio services. See if that works for you. For the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find audio. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Now once you're on this, you just want to scroll down and then click on yes to run the automated diagnostics. And then once you complete all these steps that come up, you just want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.